How are you guys doing now? From the look of things, I know you know what today's show is going to be about. We are going to share with you 3 of our juice recipes that I've been drinking for the past years, and for the new pandemic, I know these ingredients can help to fight common cold, any viral infection that you have. These can help, guys. I'm not a medical doctor here, but I know these recipes, these fruits are very effective for me, and I know it will be for you as well. I know these fruits and vegetables, guys, are immune system booster, so I want you guys to use them up. Or if you don't have access to all of these that I have here showing, you can use lemon water or simple coconut water. Or if you don't have none of them, there's something there, drink up your water, you understand, and ease off a bit of the sugary stuff, sodas, ice cream. If you do eat dairy, ease up off that. Now remember, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment, like the video, share the video, guys. Put on your post notification bell so you don't miss an episode when we upload a video. Thank you so much again for subscribing, all the new subscribers that has been subscribing for the past week, guys. I really do appreciate it. Yeah man, so stick around, let me show you how to make all of my juice. Alright guys, let me start peel the pineapple. And you know, if you throw away any of the skin, remember now we want preserve everything, and we want to use this. We can use this and make drink with ginger at a later date. So I know that somehow now we have to learn how to preserve things and take time use the things them right now, because we don't know when things are gonna get back to normal, and we want to not waste anything. And if you're living in Jamaica, guys, remember you can make enough lemonade. You don't have to blend up juice every day. You can make lemonade, or you can make grapefruit drink, you know. Try to be resourceful. And no apple in seasons for those people who living in the country area. Use up the apple man to make them waste. Mulberry, all of those things that you can get local, where you not have to buy too much something all the time, you know?
I want to help you.
Alright, come. Alright guys, I don't want you to forget the children, make them be helpful to you in the kitchen. So he's gonna help me juice the pineapple and what he can do, and I will do the cutting, right? Right, Zach? Alright. So guys, first you want to have a juicer or a high-speed blender. But my juicer has been with me for the past few years, from it just start life. I don't know if you don't know the term there, but Jamaican people refer to when you leave your mother's house. When you leave your mother's house or your parents' house, and you know you start buying your own little things. So I'm not even too trust him, because what they did break down for me, but him start work again. So I don't trust putting vegetables in their whole, so I'll cut them.
I'm going to put in pineapple.
And this is
ginger, carrots, orange,
turmeric, and beetroot. Alright, so guys, he's gonna do it for you guys. Alright guys, so for the other drink we're going to add melon, ginger and beetroot. So I'm going to deal with the melon for him now. Nice melon. And remember guys, your melon always have to have seed in there because the seed is good for you too. Alright Zach, you like melon? Yeah. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits are unhealthy or healthy? Fruits are healthy or unhealthy? So healthy? Healthy?
Yes.
It's healthy?
Yeah.
Alright, so you eat fruits.
Tell them.
Oh, okay guys, fruits are healthy, so eat a lot of fruits. Right Zach?
Yeah.
No candy. No candy. Alright.
Guys, don't eat no candy because you have germs, so you have to brush your teeth so you don't get no germs.
Alright. Guys is 3. So he's saying, I'm not sure if you understand him, he's saying don't eat any candy because candy have germs. Or candy will give you cavity.
Yeah.
Cavity? Alright. Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
I will go to the doctor and get your doctor.
Alright guys, it's my time to do the last video, which is the green juice. So I'm gonna add to it some spirulina, cucumber, kale, spinach, leaf of life. Where's my leaf of life? Leaf of life, I picked this outside, and some lettuce. Alright, and remember now say spirulina is a superfood, and it helps to build you up, and the kale also, they're full of vitamin B12 and things like that. So me just go blend everything together and just drink it how I like it. If you don't like kale, you can use whatever vegetable you like. You can mix and match color, whatever you can find around your yard in your kitchen, use it. Alright, so for the spirulina, I just use like half teaspoon and just put it in there and just give him a quick little shake. And me I tell you say guys, you don't need nothing more than this. Yeah, so make sure guys use up all the vegetables that you have around your house at this time, especially in this time. So this is the beetroot one with melon, this is the kale and cucumber with spinach, and this is the carrot and turmeric and water pineapple. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.